दोस्तों अभी इट्स टाइम टू मूव अहेड एंड गो टूवर्ड्स माय फेवरेट सेक्शन बिकॉज मुझे बहुत मजा आता है जब मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस के जवाब देता हूं इन दिस सेक्शन आस्क टीजी। एवरी एपिसोड यू आस्क सम अमेजिंग क्वेश्चंस और मुझे मौका मिलता है उनका जवाब देने का। लेट्स सी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वी हैव इन दिस एपिसोड।
I wanted to gift my father a smartwatch, but he's not very tech savvy, although he's totally into fitness. So, are there any suggestions within a budget of 20,000?
Well, to begin with, it's a great idea कि आप अपने फादर को एक स्मार्ट वॉच गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं एंड it's a very useful gadget these days, especially to track all the health. And let me give you a very interesting, great, good news. The news is that right now there's some crazy offer going on. अगर आप Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic लेते हैं, the LTE variant, it's running as low as just rupees 11,000. And at that price, it's an amazing watch with all the features packed in to track the health that your father wants to. तो मेरे ख्याल से it would be an amazing option.
हाय टीजी, मुझे गेमिंग के लिए एक हैंडहेल्ड डिवाइस लेना है जिसकी बैटरी अच्छी हो और परफॉर्मेंस फास्ट। आप कौन सा कंसोल सजेस्ट करेंगे?
My friend, it's a hard truth कि जो handheld gaming device हैं, the battery is not really great on these. मतलब आपको ज़्यादा लंबा सेशन नहीं मिलने वाला है. If you plug it in with a power bank or something तो आपको ज़्यादा extension मिल सकता है. Well, in India, the likes of Nintendo is not really officially available, तो Switch goes out of the picture. What you can have is the ROG Ally. ये एक फुल फ्लेजेड विंडोज पे चलने वाला इट्स अ कंसोल दैट यू कैन प्ले ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पॉपुलर गेम्स ऑन. काफी मजा, एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है, बट देन अगेन द बैटरी माइट नॉट बी एज पर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. अ गुड डिवाइस फॉर द प्राइस, योर कॉल टू बी ऑनेस्ट. Straight answer, one word answer, please don't. See, I'll tell you honestly, in iOS though you don't even have an option to download the apps, so let's forget that. Android में you have a certain list of websites. These are very reputable, let's say. मतलब all these apps you can get the APK files from there. But the question is, why would you want to do that? आपको जब प्ले स्टोर पे सब कुछ मिल रहा है, why would you want to trust any other website? And well, if it is for any cracked app जहाँ पे आपको कुछ किसी का प्रो वर्जन फ्री में मिल रहा है या whatever, see, to be honest, number one, it's not ethical and number two, it's clearly not safe because आपको नहीं पता है उस ऐप की जो पैकेजिंग हुई है along with the application, if there's some malware या ऐसा कुछ आपके डिवाइस में आए अगर बाहर से, why would you want to do that? So in a simple answer, I would say please don't if you are really careful about your data and privacy.
Namaste Technical Village. I'm looking to buy my first 360 camera. Do you think the new Insta360 is worth it? Could you please suggest some other alternatives?
See, to be honest, if you talk about 360 cameras, then definitely the Insta360 lineup is a huge hit. हम काफ़ी सालों से देख रहे हैं that the brand is doing really amazing, especially in the field of 360 cameras. The latest launch, the Insta360 X4, is very good, but at the same time, X3 is also a great bet. आप X2 पे भी जा सकते हैं, depending on the kind of deal you are getting. तो if you are really serious about your content, if you are looking at a professional grade setup, तो मैं बोलूँगा the latest X4 might fit the bill. आपको काफ़ी मज़ा आ सकता है.